Opisyal na nagbukas ang pinakamalaking halal trade show sa buong mundo, ang Malaysia International Halal Showcase. Alamin natin ang mga naganap sa unang araw nito. Let's all watch this. Tagumpay ang pagbubukas ng ika-20 taon ng Malaysia International Halal Showcase o MIHAS na ginanap sa Malaysia International Trade and Exhibition Center kahapon lamang. Sa opening ceremony ng event na ito ay nagbigay ng talumpati ang panauhing pandangal ang Prime Minister ng Malaysia na si Yap Dato Seri Anwar bin Ibrahim.
Now may I take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to the support by many governments throughout the world without discrimination. I mean, the halal industry is participated, as you see this exhibition, by Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, all participate as true Malaysians, ensuring success of the halal industry.
Record-breaking din ang MIHAS dahil ito ay itinanghal ng Guinness Book of World Records bilang largest attendance for a halal trade show with 38,566 attendees noong MIHAS 2023.
The largest attendance for a halal trade show is 38,566 people and was achieved at MIHAS 2023. Congratulations, you are officially amazing. Congratulations.
Matapos ang opening ceremony, ay nilibot naman ng Malaysian Prime Minister ang buong exhibition at nakipag-interact sa exhibitors. Nagsagawa rin ng media conference ang Malaysia External Trade Development Corporation o MATRADE na siyang organizer ng event upang sagutin ang tanong ng mga media na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang bansa.
Halal is not just about to be consumed by the Muslim. It also has been the preferred products and also services by many other countries, as much as it is also aligned with a certain standard of ESG.
Ngayong taon ay nasa mahigit kumulang na 20 exhibitors mula sa Pilipinas ang sumali rito upang ipakilala ang kanilang mga halal certified na produkto at serbisyo sa mga buyers at attendees. Ayon sa kanila ay malaki ang naitutulong ng pagiging halal certified at pagsali sa mga trade shows sa kanilang negosyo.
Sobrang saya namin dahil ang rami namin nakikilalang fellow businessman, mga customers na galing iba't ibang bansa na naghahanap rin ng mga Filipino products.
So I really encourage and I really invite Filipino business owners and manufacturers to get their products halal certified. It's also a good practice to include and to have a more accepted product around the world.
Ang partisipasyon ng Pilipinas sa mga international trade show katulad ng MIHAS ay isang malaking hakbang upang mas maipakilala pa ang mga Filipino businesses sa loob at labas ng bansa. Sa pamamagitan nito ay mas maipapalaganap rin ang kahalagahan at benepisyo ng pagiging halal certified.